Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah have stressed the need for a different strategy to take cooperative to every panchayat of the country. Inaugurating the day-long National Conference of Rural Cooperative Banks in New Delhi today, Mr. Shah said a 5-year strategy is required for primary agricultural credit societies (PACs) in each panchayat, as 2 lakh panchayats are yet to have PACs. CM's Youth Center in West Garo Hills inaugurated on the occasion of International Youth Day 2022 by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The center being implemented jointly by Government of Meghalaya and NGOs, Saura, Mandala and Project Defy aims to provide an open, safe and accessible space for the youth of rural Meghalaya to nurture ideas and build capacity. Corbevax will be available as COVID booster dose at vaccination centers from today. The price for the end user price has been fixed at 400 rupees, including taxes and administrative charges. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur today called upon the nation's youth to contribute towards making India a better place to live in and work towards making the country a Vishwa Guru. Union Minister of State for Jal Shakti and Tribal Affairs Bishweshwar will attend a review meeting on the implementation of various developmental works, schemes and programs by central ministries in Meghalaya today.